Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to hide following list on TikTok. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do it quickly and watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to go to your TikTok profile and click on the top right 3 lines. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy below. Now you have to scroll down here and click on the privacy button. Now here you have to click on privacy. After that, you will see an option here for the following list. You have to click on it. When you click on the following list, everyone will be selected by default, so here you have to click on only you. This will mean that no one except you can see your following list. In this way you can hide following list in TikTok. If you liked this video, then subscribe to this channel and also like the video.